Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to scan for viruses and threats on your device. And all you need to do is navigate into this aptly named application right here, security. And let's agree. It's gonna start scanning. I'm not exactly sure if it scans through everything or not, but you do have the security scan right over here. Let's agree. And it will start scanning. As you can see, everything looks good, so we're all good here. So that is how you could scan it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.